Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality a do follow profile backlink, and also you can create your classified ads backlink in this website. So the website name is jobboard.past.org. So this is a .org website, and this website having a very good authority according to Acharya. This website domain rating is 62, and according to Moj, this website domain authority is 42, and the spam score is only 1%. And if I can show you this website traffic, so according to similar web, this website don't have any traffic. I think there is any some internal issues might be, because you can see if this website have 62 domain rating and 8.9k root domain, it doesn't make sense. So this website don't have traffic, so I guess there have some technical issues on the similar web extension. Okay, and another thing is this site is closely relevant to the HR industry and the recruitment industry. So if you are in the same, so this backlink is a relevant backlink for you. Either you can create a do follow backlink here. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the login and the register button, top of the menu section. There you can put your username, your email address, then you guys will choose your password. After, you can click on the create account button. Once your account is created, now after you can click on the view profile. uh, Sorry, let me go back. Once you create your profile, after what you can do, you can click on the edit profile button. You can click here. There you can put your company first and last name, and in the profile section there you can put your company description. So this is my company description, and if you wanting to hyperlink any your targeted keyword, either your brand name, so you can use HTML hyperlink. Open this website, you can copy this code, open notepad, and you can put there, you can replace this URL with your website URL, and you can replace this text with your targeted keyword. So DML training, this is my targeted keyword. Once you guys will do that, you can copy this whole syntax, and you can paste replace with your main targeted keyword. Then after, you can click on the update profile, and you can see our profile is updated. And if I can click on the view profile, so you can see this is your profile landing page URL, and this is my backlink. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. So now I can show.
This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co.
Show you how you can create your your classified backlink in this website. So you can click on the submit a job. Then you can put your company name. Then you can add your website URL. You can choose your company logo file, and after from there you can put your job title, your job type, your job category, then what is the salary bracket. So you can fill all information if you're wanting. So you can add tags as well, and here you can put your address. There you can add your company description, your classified ad description. After, you can click on the next button. You can review your details. Then after, you can click on the next button. Again, you can verify these things. Then after, you can click on the confirm and the continue to job. And you can see this job is currently pending and must be approved by administrators. So their team will review your ads. Then after it's look legit, then they will make it publicly visible. So overall, this is the process to how you can create your profile in this job board website, and how you can create your classified backlink in this website. Okay. So overall, this is the process to how you can create backlinks here. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys will share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.